Am I the a-hole for telling my husband to grow a pair? My husband and I have been together 16 years, married for 11. He has a low pain tolerance, though he won't admit it. Once, he kneeled on our toddler's Hot Wheels car and was out for the day despite no injury. His overreactions to stubbing his toe or hitting his funny bone, moaning, whining, and shouting in pain often alarm me. I always thought of it as a quirk of his, not too major to actually have a conversation about until yesterday. I have what my doctors believe is Crohn's disease, and I've been in the thick of a nasty flare-up for the last few days. For those of you unfamiliar, it's an inflammatory bowel disease and causes diarrhea, vomiting, etc. I was trying to take a nap for some relief and had just gotten to sleep when I heard an actual scream from downstairs. I jumped out of bed and found my husband clutching his hand. I asked what happened, and he told me he pinched his finger in the baby gate. I looked at it, and it wasn't even red, with no broken skin. I told him he woke me up with his scream and probably also woke up our son, and he said he couldn't help it. It just hurt so bad. I said, you know what else hurts? Shitting my brains out all morning and not being able to take a nap because you're being so loud over a minor mishap. He got really offended and said that I wouldn't like it if I pinched my finger either, and I said no, I sure wouldn't, but I also wouldn't scream my head off. I didn't even do that when I was giving birth to a 9-pound baby unmedicated. He said, well, your body was made to do that. I'm not made to get my finger stuck in a baby gate. This is when I rolled my eyes, told him to grow a pair, and went back upstairs to try and rest. Am I the a-hole for telling